Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Leo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. It means if your sign is Leo and this is a reading. This is a general collective reading for your person and that third party situation. The third party can be their new person, family, friend. Take as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your person and third party are getting along. What's your person thinking about you now? Messages from your partner from you for you. Tarot advice for you. This reading is for people who are not in contact with their person. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. Let's get into reading as I have shuffled cards. Okay, one more thing. If it's a general reading, it may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and messages are not for you. So let's get started. How situation looks from outside. So how people see them. Chariot, Ace of Rods, and Six of Swords. So people see that they are moving forward passionately. I mean, like they have started this relationship, they are moving forward. But as you can see, this is a black horse and this is a white horse here. So some conflict is going on between you two, but you are moving forward. That third party and your person is moving forward with this new start. But some or the other way, one person in this situation wants to go back. They want to go back because there is some conflict going on. This is what from outside it looks. Can you see this rocky water? And this person is headed towards calm water. So people see that from outside it looks like they are having a new start, but some or the other problem is going on in their relationship, which, like, this person is mentally conflicted. So it means mental confliction. So they are moving forward. It seems from outside that they are moving forward with this new start, but one person wants to go back to the person who left them for. This may be your partner, that may be your this third party. Okay, so next is, what is unseen truth of the relationship? Okay, unseen truth. What is the truth of this relationships? Four of Swords, Sun, Ten of Wands. So normally Four of Swords is a person with in a typical regular decks. Four of Swords is a praying person, but here this person is defensive with one sword in the hand. So, and Sun as well as Ten of Wands. So one person is not happy in this relationship and they are thinking, I mean, like they are defensive. It might be your person or that third party. That third party is defensive for this happiness as they cannot carry this burden anymore. So one person want to leave. That's the truth of this relationship, because only one person is carrying all the burden in this situation. So that person is very defensive who is carrying this burden. But they thought this is coming to light. Sun can also be coming, the truth coming to light. So truth of that relationship is that one person is carrying all the burden and the other one is very defensive regarding it. Okay, so what do they think about you in alone time? Your person, what do they think about you? You have Queen of Cups, Five of Wands, and King of Cups. These are all different decks actually. So your person, when he is alone, he thinks about you that you are not giving them attention now, and you are loving yourself, you are taking care of yourself, and you are okay with without them. That is what your person thinks from outside, whatever he can see. But now he thinks that here it is king of cups, so he thinks that you were a perfect match for him, and they should not have fought against you. This fighting was useless. He should not have put you in competition, actually. That is what he is thinking. That is what he thinks, or they think, when they are alone. Because you were made for each other type of couple. That is what he thinks when he is alone. So, what truth your person didn't know about the third party? Okay, truth. And here is Ace of Swords, Page of Rods, and Eight of Swords. See, can you see that? Yeah. So your person is in lot of stress. He doesn't know what to do because this third party is very childish. She might be, or he might be, of little bit young age, and their thinking doesn't match up. So this truth your person didn't know. Maybe he rushed the relationship. Now he wants to come back. I think he or she, they want to come back. So I think from first card till now I can see that your person wants to come back to you, because he didn't know that whoever it was just, see here also Ace of Rod was there. So it was based on a passionate, it was a passionate beginning, because I think this other person, this third party is or was a young person, younger than your person. So they were attracted. But now the truth of the third party is that this third party is very childish, and they don't listen to him, because you can see his face. He or she, or they don't even see, can you see the face? The face is hidden. So he thinks that he doesn't know this childlike person, and now he is in lot of conflict, and he doesn't know what to do, where to turn, where to go, because he thinks that he is bound to them now. That is what he thinks. Okay. What action should you take about your person as you know about the third party? Knight of Swords, King of Swords, sorry, Queen of Swords, Prince of Pentacles. Prince of Pentacles is Page of Pentacles. So action is, if they want to communicate, if your person comes to communicate aggressively towards you, and he offers a small apology, don't accept it. Cut him out with the truth and confidence. That is what cards are advising you. What actions you should take. You should be very blunt with whatever he has done with you. It was not fair. So you need to communicate that first. And he has to come like a king, not a knight. Knight is again, he will come and go. Knights are like come and go, childish energy again. Pages are childish energy, and these are this. He is not a king, so you have to wait till the time he progresses his emotions to match your energy. Like here you have king of cups and queen of cups, means equals. He has to come back. Whenever he communicates with you, he has to communicate with you on your equal vibration. He cannot come like a child. Okay, I'm sorry I did this. No, why you did this? He needs to open his heart. He has to tell you the reason. That is how it should be. And if he doesn't give you a valid reason why he left you, you have to take a stand. So this is what I can see. Next is presently what he thinks about you. He thinks that, like here it is a shadow side, six of pentacles and rebirth. He thinks that he did he is going through karma. He thinks that he is going through karma. He is facing his shadow side. He should not have done this. But now he thinks that he gave his money or emotions to two people. That was wrong. Now he wants to take a rebirth. He wants to show you his. Can you see this? This is a rebirth card where this kid is all naked. So he wants to come towards you and tell you everything. But he is so afraid of rejection, I guess, or he himself feels so guilty that he cannot face you because he was offering this other person, both the persons, two people he was offering to two people. He don't know how to tell you that that is what it is. Okay, so I hope this resonated till now. Please make an energetic donation by liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. It gives me motivation to make more videos. Okay, so let's carry on with our readings. Messages from your person. Okay, let's see what are the okay. What are the messages he wants to give you now? As he is not in contact, what messages he wants to give you? Okay. See, I'm taking out three cards. Okay. How can I pay back for everything I did for me? How can I pay you back for everything you did for me? I'm sorry. How can I pay you back for everything you did for me? So he is thinking how to come forward, first of all. How can he come back to you and tell you that he is sorry? See, is it possible to forgive and forget? He doesn't know how to apologize to you and what to tell you, why he did this. I am still confused about what decision to make. I told you he is facing his shadow side. Like he is still, he, that decision what he wants to make, he's not sure about. So let him face his shadow side. Let him take his time. And when he's healed and prepared to face you and tell you all the reasons why he did that, till that time you should wait. And the shadow card of this messages are, I thought lying was easy than telling you the truth. So he lied to you about everything. He lied to you about everything what he did and why he did it. Okay, so advice for you from universe. Okay, Seven of Pentacles, the Witch, and the Harvest. So you can manifest. You can manifest anything you want to because you are a magician. The Witch is magician in this deck. So Seven of Pentacles, if you have been waiting for your money to come, if you have been waiting for some news to come for a very long time, that harvest time is coming. It's nearby. You can hold on. You can just manifest. You should pray and manifest whatever thing you want in your life, what you had been waiting for a very long time, and it will be delivered. See, here you have 10 of chalices. 10 of chalices means 10 of cups. So you will have all the happiness with this person, a complete family. You can see a kid also here. You might have a kid or you will have a kid with him. So you will have this person back, Leo. Don't worry. And I hope these messages resonate. Please do comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal reading, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.